In this lesson, we'll draw a profile of an elderly woman. First, we start with this sphere. Originally, it was about halfway. It's roughly 1% above the halfway point, because maybe her forehead seems a bit short. It looks like her forehead is somewhat short. Also, her mouth feels slightly open, making the lower half of her face a bit longer. Oh, roughly around here. The face is quite slender and long. When drawing, check out the positive and negative shapes. Her face is indeed slender and long. Her lips are thin. Her nose is also quite high and prominent. Alright, that's pretty much it. Once the main outline is done, we'll start with the details. When drawing the nostrils, make sure to leave space for the nose tip. This face is quite slim. Look at her few strands of hair. Draw them neatly. The face is almost done. Now, let's draw this part. Let's focus on drawing the hat portion carefully. Take a look. Check for any overlap to draw. Observe closely to see which parts are in front and which are in the back. But you also need to pay attention to the blank space. That's our one, don't draw too evenly. Look at this part now, all grow out from here. This place is definitely a bit tighter. Here, What about the forehead side in the future? So maybe we just leave some blank space. Its density and spacing relationships also need to be considered. When we draw here, the part we mentioned earlier is done like this. This is how it is hooked. Here, the distance is here. The distance between this piece of wire and this line is... That's the thickness. This is the thickness of the pass. Some of these are invisible, so we add them ourselves and add some lines at the back. You can't see it here either, but we see this one with a bulging effect. The drawing method here is the same as this, with a hook. Let's take a look. It's like this. Here, if you can't see it, let's add it ourselves. Leave this area blank and concentrate the dense areas here. That's enough. For example, when drawing the neck, we used to draw the collar. This is often mentioned here. Everyone's collar has no thickness, and the other is no thickness, no, to wrap around the neck. Let's take a look. This is the neck, right? So when it wraps around the neck, let's hook it back first. Patch up another thread to give it a similar feeling. This one feels like it's been bypassed and it's thick. How can you draw it? There's another way to draw it, and maybe that's what you all do. Yes, like this, just draw here, then draw again. Everyone, try to understand the difference between the two. This one doesn't have thickness. This way, the drawing has no thickness. This way, the painting has thickness. See, after we finish drawing like this, we add another one here. You absolutely have to add this thickness to get it. It's the same here, and the drawing method around here is the same. Go around there, just hook it and add another line like this. Is it the same as this? Both sides are the same. Go around it. That's it. So today, let's leave this one like that. It's pretty simple. If you paint young, you can't capture that particularly old feeling. Alright, that's it. This one, let's leave it at that. See you in the next class.